Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. I'm going to be doing a more formal video and using chicken wire, but I wanted to show you this specific design. If you have birds that come in and shear down your seedlings, or you have rabbits that come in, chicken wire 2 feet wide, get whatever size roll you need, and just 4 bamboo posts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lay this across where you put your seeds down, and then as the seeds germinate and you get your seedlings, these are radishes right in there, I'm also going to have carrots, you can see they're starting to push through. You just lift the sides up. Will still give protection, especially from rabbits. They're not going to want to crawl under there. And if you don't have a fence, this is probably the least expensive and quickest way to protect your germinating seeds and your seedlings from birds, from rabbits. And you can just keep raising this as you want. And once they get tall enough, you can remove it. But nothing fancy. The chicken wire just slides up and down the posts. I use this often. I used it more years ago before I had a big fencing system, but this is really, really effective. Thanks for watching, and please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.